Hey guys, Sean Dickens here, and welcome back to part 2 of the video training series with purchasing and setting up your domain name with GoDaddy or any other register. If you use a different register, that's okay. But this particular video again is with GoDaddy. That's who my register is. In the previous video, we showed you how to go in and actually purchase a domain name, and in this video we're going to show you how to set it up and actually use that domain name. Now this one we're actually only going to show you how to set up forwarding and masking is what it's called, and what this is going to do is it's going to take the place of any replicated website that you have with one of your online businesses. Google and pretty much any of your advertising that you're going to do, or anything that you're going to do on the internet, is not going to be real friendly to replicated websites. And what your replicated website is going to look like is it's going to be a very long domain name, and it will be something like yourcompanyname.com / and then it'll either be your name or your rep ID number or a series of numbers, and it's not a great domain name to use, and lots of times it's not something that you will able to be used. Google will not allow you to use replicated websites in your Google ads. They'll actually kick your ad off of Google. So we're going to go ahead and go back into our GoDaddy account, and we're going to go back and find our actual domain name that we purchased in the previous video, and it was in the M's. So if we go down to here, it is right here. So we click on that domain name, and this is actually going to be your back office for that domain. This is going to be where all your DNS is at, where all your name servers are at, everything that you need to do if you host your website or your domain name at an offsite host other than GoDaddy. This is where you're going to come for all of that information. For this particular domain name, or for this particular video, we're actually going to go into the domain information and come down to forwarding. And you notice that it says forwarding is off right now. So we're going to go ahead and hit manage. And we're going to use the name mynvorganics.com, and I'm going to forward that to a replicated site that I actually have. Okay, I've got that typed in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the advanced options, and that's going to bring me down to a forward only or forward with masking, and I prefer to type in the forward with masking so that I can actually cover up that domain, that replicated domain link that, if you see, is so very long. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to type in there the actual name of the website, and I'm going to put in a short description of what it is. Now we've got the description in there. We're going to go ahead and stick in a couple of actual keywords here. Okay, now we've typed in a few keywords. We're going to go ahead and hit OK, and that brings us back to our main screen. And if you'll notice, it still says that forwarding is off, and that actually can take anywhere from 24 hours up to 48 hours before you will actually see anything change. Okay, now, so once we hit the OK, we're going to go ahead and go to Google again, and we will type in our new name. The new domain name that we purchased is now up and running, and the replicated site that your business gives you is no longer going to be an issue, and you're able to use this in any way that you can think. And you're able to do this with many different domain names and many different websites. I hope this actually helps with any issues that you may be having with domain names, and now it gives you the option that you can get rid of those long replicated websites that come with your business or with your company that you're with. And now you're able to customize your websites and your domain names and your links. And I hope this was helpful for you, and stay tuned for our next video series and any other trainings that we have, and I hope you have a great day.